Hi, my name is Lilian Nguyen, and I want to pursue the career of a plastic surgery physician assistant. I'm currently 18 years old, and I am a health science major with a concentration in biology. I'm currently living in Tampa, but I am from Sarasota, Florida. I'm interested in the field and specializing in cosmetic procedures because I've always had a passion for both medicine and beauty. I grew up around the cosmetic and beauty industry, and also I've had a lot of medical professional influences in in life too. Um, a plastic surgery physician, also known as a PA, is a plastic physician assistant that specializes in plastic surgery and assists the physician and patient. They assist with completing cosmetic and aesthetic operations clients, and they also educate the patient, perform pre-operative histories, physicals, and they also are the first assisting at surgery. So they assist before anyone else does, before the nurses or anything. Some surgery assisting examples include injections, sterilizing, and laser treatments. Um, I interviewed a family friend named Jessie Chan. She currently is a PA for plastic surgery and dermatology. She went to the University of Florida, and the Nova Southeastern University. She performs duties such as Botox, Juvederm, Voluma, Restane, and others. And then she also does acne and hair laser treatments. Um, to become a PA, you need to pursue a long-term education, which begins with obtaining a high school diploma, then a bachelor's degree, and then experience, and then a master's degree, and then certification. Some majors that would help with pursuing this occupation would be biology, chemistry, microbiology, health sciences, or anything else related to the sciences. You can also pursue other majors as long as you take the required courses for PA programs. The GRE graduate record examination is also an examination that you need to take after undergraduate school to be able to get into graduate PA programs. And then after finishing the graduate PA program, you take the PANCE exam, which is the exam for physician assistants, um, license and certification. Taking courses that are different from science will make you well-rounded and have views of everything in different perspectives. And then volunteering and interning at health-related fields will also help with job search later on and schooling. And then organizations will provide communications, connections, and a diverse field of people so that you can meet and explore different topics on. When becoming a PA, you also have to continue your education every few years, of course, to make sure you're up to date. So, physician assistants need to complete CME credits every 2 years, and then after that, you also have to have 100 online log hours, and then you also have to take a recertification exam every 10 years. So all these examinations and requirements are just to ensure that the PA is up to date on all the medical and technology advancements and make sure that they know what they're doing so they don't violate any regulations. Some organizations that would help with this are the National Commission on Certification of Physician Assistants, the American Academy of Physician Assistants, Accreditation Review Commission on Education for the Physician Assistant, and then Physician Assistant Education Association. All these organizations will help with your education and connections and communications with job search and everything related to physician assisting. The working conditions of a physician assistant is indoors, usually in the office, clinic, hospital, private practice. They usually work with other assistants and nurses, and they are supervised by a physician. The hours may vary depending where you work. So if you work in a private office, the hours are better than if you work in a hospital. It all depends. Um, the salary of a physician assistant starts at 90,000 and then goes up to 124,000 with more and more experience. Jessie Chan makes almost $200,000 a year because of her location and her occupation and specialty. So the earnings can fluctuate depending on demand location where the plastic surgery is in higher demand. usually in other cities, will have higher pay than other locations. Also, the company or whatever practice you work for also is a big influence and factor in how much you get paid. Employment outlook. Employment is across the entire United States and other countries, and there's higher demand in other states and others, and it's expected to grow fast over time. It grows about 1% every year, and then it has grown because of new beauty standards, technology, and medical advancements. This right here shows the top places for plastic surgery. So these are the places where plastic surgery is most common in the states and in other regions. So in South America, it's very common too, and so is South Korea. Operations that are common are breast augmentations, butt lifts, facelifts, Botox injections, liposuction, and many others are really um, predominant because they improve the beauty. Also, nose jobs and any facial reconstruction is very popular. This right here is my 5-year plan timeline. It overviews my plan for the next 5 years. My plan may or may not follow this because my occupation or career choice may change. So first, I want to start volunteering at a hospital beginning this year to start gaining experience so I can start interning later on. After interning, I want to ask for recommendations letters because I will be graduating in 2022. So I want to start asking for recommendation letters from peers, professors, and any other people that are around me. I need to start taking exams. So I plan to take the GRE in March of 2021 in case I need to retake it later on. I also need to shadow a plastic surgeon, so to make sure I still am interested in the career itself. And then after graduating and everything, I want to begin my 2-year physician assistant program. I also want to start applying for those programs months before graduation just to make sure I do have a spot in the program. And then after beginning the program for a year, I want to start gaining work experience in the plastic surgery area.